Welcome to PeopleNet Blue Driver Training. The more familiar you become with Blue, the more you will appreciate how it makes your professional life easier by making you more efficient. It will reduce the time you spend on paperwork so you have more time to drive. This module is about how to use PeopleNet Blue messaging. Before you learn how easy Blue messaging is to use, a word about safety. Be sure to read and send messages only when your vehicle is parked. Let's begin by reviewing how to access and read new messages in your inbox. The system lets you know you have a new message in several ways. The third LED light, the blue one, will flash. A notification will also appear on your screen telling you that you have a new message. Plus, you will hear this chime. To view your inbox, select Inbox on the home screen menu or on the Inbox shortcut if it is configured. You may configure your inbox to list messages from the oldest to newest or newest to oldest. A blue dot next to a message means that the message is new. In addition to your incoming messages, you can access Saved, Outbox, Sent, and Draft messages in those various mailboxes. After you've read a message, you can press the Save button to move it to the saved folder. Or press the Reply button to create a response to the message. Or, if you want to delete it, press the Delete button. To view the full text of a message, press the View button. Use the arrows on the right to scroll through the list of messages. There are a few other notations you need to know about. Orange brackets around a message indicate you have selected it. A blue dot to the left of a message lets you know that you haven't viewed or replied to a message or read it using text-to-speech. If you see a red exclamation point next to a message, it is a forced reply message. Once you select this message, you must reply to it before performing other tasks on Blue. To see a complete message, touch the message on the screen. After you've read a message, you may save, reply, delete, or close the message. There's another convenient way to review a message that we call text-to-speech. It plays an audio version of the message on the View Message screen. Simply press the Play button at the bottom. While the message is playing, the Play button changes to a Pause button. Once the message has been played, it will revert to play. There's a quick way to start a number of tasks. The shortcut buttons at the bottom of the screen help you. Play or pause a message using text-to-speech. Create a new email message. Create a form message. View the address book. Use hotkeys, which we'll discuss in a bit, or return to the home screen. Now, let's learn how to send a new message. To create a new email, press on either the Create Email shortcut on the home screen or on the Create Email shortcut on the Inbox screen. When you begin to create an email, Blue prompts you to select Personal or Standard for the type of email you want to create. If you are not prompted with this selection, contact your Fleet administrator to see if personal messaging is an option for you. After you make your selection, the next step is to identify who you want to receive your message. On the Select Recipient screen, select up to 20 recipient names, then press Select. Now you may begin entering your message. A message may have up to 2,000 characters. When you've completed your message, press the Send button. Or, if you wish to complete the message later, press the Drafts button. If you want to cancel the message without saving it, press the Cancel button. You may select Save, Delete, or Cancel on the pop-up screen. Cancel returns you to the message to complete it. When you select Save or Delete, you'll return to the inbox. To create a new form, press the Create Form shortcut on the home screen, or press the Create Form shortcut on the inbox screen. Select the form from the Forms List screen, then press the Next button. Select recipients the same way you did for an email, by selecting each recipient's name, then press Select. You may also press the spacebar on the keyboard to select recipients. Complete the form fields. Fields that are highlighted in orange require you to enter data prior to sending. An X in a red box clears any values you have entered in a field and will show it as skipped. But you can't skip fields that are required. In order to send, all required fields must be completed. Press the Send button to send the form. You might see options on a pop-up message for sending the form you have selected. These sending options are Now, Later, and Cancel. Pressing Cancel will take you back to the form or email. One option is to do nothing. When you select this default option, the pop-up screen will disappear in 15 seconds, and your form will be moved to the outbox. At the next data call, it will be sent. The other option is to press the Now button, which places a data call immediately to send the message. Now let's look at the address book, which contains your personal and corporate contacts. Personal contacts are available only if you have personal messaging. Check with your Fleet administrator to see if you have this feature. Select the address book by pressing the address book icon on the home screen if it is configured as a shortcut, or by pressing the address book icon from the shortcuts at the bottom of any mailbox or the View message screen. Contacts are displayed first by special characters like the example shown, then by numbers, then alphabetically A through Z. Email addresses are displayed only for personal contacts, not corporate contacts. To add a new contact to your address book, press the Add button. When you see this screen, enter the contact's name and email address, then press Submit. To change a personal contact, press the Edit button. You cannot edit corporate contacts. To delete a personal contact, press the Delete button. To close the address book and return to the message list screen, press the Close button. The last part of this training module is about using hotkeys to access commonly used pre-configured forms set up by your Fleet administrator. You simply press a function key like F1, F2, and so forth. You may select the Hotkeys shortcut option on the home screen or at the bottom of any mailbox or View message screen. Hotkeys shortcuts won't appear if the Fleet administrator hasn't configured them. The screen with the hotkeys list shows the names of forms that have been assigned to certain function keys. Select the function key that corresponds to the form listed below it. Then proceed to Select Recipients and complete the form. It's just that easy. When you want to exit hotkeys, press F10. This concludes our training module for Blu messaging. That means you're on your way to making your professional life easier. Feel free to review this video. When you have questions, consult your quick reference guide or contact your fleet administrator. To access any helpful Blu training module, simply press or click on the one you would like to review.